Hi, we are going to solve another arithmetic problem regarding age, but here rather than using numbers, we're going to use symbols. So here it says Jane is 2 times older than Raphael at present, while Raphael is X years older than Jacob. If Jacob's present age is Y, then what is Jane's age Z years ago? So ultimately we will have to lay in Jane's age Z years ago. So we have to find Jane minus Z. What is this? So let us look at the other relationships we have. So I can see that Jacob's present age is Y, which is pretty straightforward. So I'm going to just copy that. Jacob is Y years old. So wherever the name Jacob appears at present, we can just put his age as Y. Now, it's also told that Jane is 2 times older than Raphael. So Jane is 2 times older than Raphael at present, while Raphael is X years older than Jacob. So Jacob, which we already know is Y, so it says that at present Raphael is X years older than Jacob. So he is X plus Y. So here we have equation 1 and equation 2. So by replacing the value of Raphael or R into equation 1, we get Jane's age to be 2 into X plus Y. But you do recall that ultimately we have to find that what was Jane's age Z years ago. So we ultimately need to find Jane minus Z. So we have to simply put the same value on the right hand side. So we can write 2x plus 2y minus z. So z years ago, Jane's age was 2x plus 2y minus z. So while developing this equation, remember to number them or replace them, whichever is more convenient for you to remember. And don't get jangled up with so many symbols. Try to limit it as simple as possible. And that way you can keep the equations clean and solve them easily.